Wait for the water.
I want some tall, man.
No, I don't.
Put the show on YouTube. Here it comes. That's gonna feel fucking. That's gonna feel awesome. Go. Go.
Oh my god. Alright, y'all get out. Get out, dude. That shit was funny. I can't believe they really did it.
Shows how smart they are.
I would have got out as soon as I drove. As soon as I stopped the car, I'd be out.
That just does not sound good.
This will be cold as hell when we driving back. This will be wet. Dude, did you see Aquinas' pants?
Yeah.
They were just soaked and they're like stuck to him.
Man, they stupid for doing that, bro.
I didn't want him to get waxed. That's why
Yeah,
I
I
told him
know.
to get out.